Today I'm going to show you how to lower blood pressure in a matter of minutes so you can look like a magician to your family and friends. But first I want to check in. How do you like having a wise old medicine man on your side, on your team, in your corner? And I'm not saying that to brag. 30 years of experience equals a gathering of wisdom. If your blood pressure is going crazy, I don't get shaken. I just hit the points that are going to lower it, calm you down, talk you down if necessary, and we get it handled. I can do that for most situations. I'm teaching you to be able to do that for most situations. I've squeezed large intestine 4 and put my other hand on a person's low back where they are having pain, and I squeezed for a minute and let go and asked them, how does that feel? And they said, it's gone. It's pretty neat to be able to do that for people. And it's pretty comforting and reassuring to have a old medicine man behind you for when you get stuck. And I made it super easy and affordable to have my help in your corner. Our True Health membership is only $27 a month. That allows me to help you read your labs and customize and personalize the approach for whatever weaknesses and imbalances show up in your labs. I can run your labs in the United States. That might be necessary because most doctors don't do a full system analysis using blood work like we do in functional medicine. You get member prices on our blood work, which is $50 off of our retail price. That pays for your membership the first month. And if you don't see true value in the first month, you can cancel at any time. It includes question and answer directly with me. Over 30 years, I've developed an intuition. One patient actually asked if I was clairvoyant. And all that means is I was very accurate. So even if you're dealing with a really bad situation health-wise, I can tell you exactly where you're blocked and what you need to do to move forward. Plus the membership includes rehab, videos for every joint in your body, whatever you need. A shoulder, a knee, all you have to do is hit play and follow the video. Movements to create incredible mobility. Tai Chi, Qigong, calisthenics. That means that you will be getting better with age because every movement challenges gently your range of motion. So you're going to be able to move better next month than you are now. And by supporting the imbalances and weaknesses we see on your labs, you're going to feel better, you're going to metabolize better next month than you do now. And if you're stuck in the standard American diet, drinking alcohol, using tobacco, I have a whole 12-step protocol using acupressure and movement to eliminate cravings and get over addictions. I'll share all of my metabolism secrets. I revived my metabolism after age 50. This is a picture of me at 53 and then at 54. Not even a full year apart. Once I figured out what metabolism needs. You already have the #1 metabolism points in the top 30, but there's a whole series of points called the rejuvenation points that I'll teach you about and show you how to use, plus the herbs and the movements that I did to revive my metabolism to perhaps the best it's ever been in my entire life at 54. If you want to be healthy, this membership has everything you need to get there. And all of that is on top of being able to look like a magician to your friends and family, doing exactly what I'm showing you right now. Your sweet old aunt has high blood pressure, her ears are burning, she's on 3 different medications, and you come up and say, Auntie, have a seat. And you take her hand and you put it right in the middle of her chest. This is a point called chest center. And you say, Auntie, push and hold for about 5 seconds, and then release for 2 or 3 seconds. Push and hold for 5 seconds, and release for 2 or 3 seconds. And you go over to her ears, the red points, and you start gently tapping for about a minute while she's pressing and releasing. And the fire element has 2 points on the face. So we're going to do this one for a minute, and then we'll do the eyebrows for a minute. And then you'll say, okay, relax now. And you'll grab her hand and take heart 7 and heart 7 in the other hand, and you'll rub those points. And just tell her to breathe. If she's relaxed, about 12 breaths would be a minute. And then you sit on a chair in front of her and pick up her foot, and you put your fingers in liver 3. And you got your hands free so you can do them both at the same time, and another minute. And then you contact the bottom of her foot, kidney 1. And you do another minute. Pressing and release, maybe a little circular massage. And then you let go. Okay, Auntie, how does that feel now? Is that pressure out of your head? Is that heat out of your ears? Maybe you have one of those handheld devices and you can actually take her blood pressure again. And you'll see in 3 minutes, it comes down. This has been scientifically proven. In a clinical trial, they used 9 of the top 30 points. They used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12, 20, 22, and 25. All of those points. But the patients had uncontrolled blood pressure. They were all on multiple medications, and their average blood pressure was still 169/94 on multiple medications. After 30 days doing these points, the average blood pressure was 129/79. That's what healing is about. And I want you to know that you are the healer of your family. And you can embrace your healing today and your role as a healer with the True Health membership. I look forward to getting to know you better as a True Health member.